The wait for Garmin's next big smartwatch might be shorter than we thought. The Garmin Venu 4 has leaked again, and this time the hints are too strong to ignore. From ECG tracking to potential new designs and fitness features, everything points to a major upgrade. So, what exactly can we expect? How does it compare to the Venu 3 and Venu X1? And when will it finally launch? Let's break it all down. Recent Garmin launch timeline. Garmin has been on fire in 2025. First, they launched the Venu X1 in June, targeting stylish users who wanted advanced fitness features in a premium design. Shortly after, they introduced the Forerunner 570 and Forerunner 970, models made for hardcore athletes. And most recently, we saw the Fenix 8 Pro, one of Garmin's most advanced watches yet, carrying a hefty price tag of $1,299. But now, rumors suggest Garmin is preparing something more accessible, the Venu 4, which could deliver flagship-level features at a mid-range price point. What the leaks reveal. The Venu 4 first appeared back in July when Garmin accidentally listed it on its official Japanese website. The listing didn't stay up for long, but tech insiders were quick to capture and share the details before Garmin pulled it down. That alone would have been enough to stir excitement. But now Garmin has done it again, listing the Venu 4 alongside the Venu 3 on another one of its websites. This second appearance strongly suggests that the Venu 4 isn't a typo or a slip-up, but rather a product Garmin is quietly preparing for launch. ECG support confirmed. One of the biggest confirmations so far is that the Garmin Venu 4 will support ECG hardware. This is a huge step forward, since ECG monitoring is a feature usually reserved for higher-end smartwatches like the Apple Watch Series 10 and Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. By bringing ECG to the mid-range Venu 4, Garmin could make advanced heart health tracking more accessible to a wider audience. What to expect? Features and variants. While Garmin hasn't confirmed full specs, here's what industry insiders and leaks suggest. Variants. Garmin might launch not just a standard Venu 4, but also a Venu 4 Plus or a smaller Venu 4S to appeal to different wrist sizes. Display. Expect an upgraded AMOLED panel with better brightness and outdoor visibility. Battery life. Garmin could push its already strong battery endurance further, possibly offering over a week on a single charge, depending on usage. Health features. Beyond ECG, we could see enhanced sleep tracking, blood oxygen improvements, recovery insights, and AI-driven fitness coaching. Design tweaks. Garmin often keeps its designs familiar, but the Venu 4 may bring slimmer bezels, new case materials, and fresh color options. Comparison with previous models. How does the Venu 4 stack up against its siblings? Versus Venu 3. The Venu 3 already offered great fitness tracking, but the lack of ECG was a drawback compared to competitors. The Venu 4 could solve that gap. Versus Venu X1. The X1 focused on design and lifestyle, while the Venu 4 seems to combine both style and advanced health features. Versus Fenix 8 Pro. The Fenix is still Garmin's powerhouse for extreme athletes, but at a much higher price. The Venu 4 would target mainstream users who want performance without spending $1,000+. Possible release date. The timing of these leaks is critical. Garmin has now listed the Venu 4 twice, suggesting that an official reveal is close. With the holiday shopping season approaching, it's highly likely that the Garmin Venu 4 will launch before the end of 2025. A November or December release window would make perfect sense, allowing Garmin to capture buyers looking for gifts or year-end upgrades. Expected pricing. While Garmin hasn't leaked pricing, based on past models we can make an educated guess. The Venu 3 launched at around $449, and given the ECG upgrade and other potential enhancements, the Venu 4 could fall between $449 and $499. This would make it competitive against the Apple Watch Series 10 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, while still staying cheaper than the Fenix lineup. Final thoughts. The Garmin Venu 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartwatches of 2025. With ECG support, improved health and fitness features, and the likelihood of multiple variants, it could easily become Garmin's next big seller. If you've been considering an upgrade from the Venu 3 or Venu X1, or if you're choosing between Garmin and Apple or Samsung, the Venu 4 might be worth the wait. All signs point to an official reveal before the end of the year, and if leaks hold true, Garmin could once again redefine what a mid-range smartwatch can do. So stay tuned, because the Garmin Venu 4 is almost here, and it might just surprise us all.